Rockford, Trichy. So we are going to climb out 500 stairs, and many people are giving up. You can see those giving up punches, and we are not giving up. We are going to climb. We are going to climb it, and we are going to get good marks in our exams. With dedication, we won't give up.
I'm not tired. I'm full enthusiastic.
Exactly.
And I can go up to
1,000 floors.
Yeah, 1,000.
Yes. We will give our best. So let's go to
give our best.
Yes. So let's go this stairs. Let's go. So
We got scammed.
we got you know, I told that we were about to climb 500 steps, and we were so daring that yes, we'll climb 500 steps so easy. And this video I've recorded exactly 5 minutes after, you know, taking that video, taking that shot, and look where I am. I'm at the temple. This is not even, you know, what would I say, 200 steps. I don't know who scammed us, but it's a very beautiful place though. The scene, my god. You can see the scene. I can see the whole city of Trichy. This is so pretty. And there's this temple here. It's crowded. It's Christmas Day, Christmas of 2024. Such a pretty spot, but people are littering around. You know, I would suggest you should not litter. You know, it makes a beautiful spot dirty. However, I didn't expect such an easy success, such an easy achieve. But it was fun, you know, to be so daring. Don't mind her. She's a bit aesthetic. She's too aesthetic, not a bit aesthetic. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna show you what's going to be inside the temple if I'm allowed to, and if not, you're gonna return back with me downstairs. Okay? See you. Bye. Hey guys. So we have kind of reached the temple. So you can see how much we have climbed. From there to here. It's quite a long way, but it's worth it. It's like I'm at the top. I'm at the top of the world. So pretty. And see, the best part is the world behind me, and in front of me the god waiting. It's worth it to climb at least 150 or 200 steps. It's worth it. And it's kind of hot because I don't know why during December also it's hot, but the sweat, the hard work, the steps, it must be experienced to get this view, to get this lifetime experience. So let's see what God blesses us with, and let's pray for the best, let's hope for the best, and I'll give you more clicks of this picture, of this place. We have completed our darshan. Darshan is over, and as you can see, the sky is pink like strawberry, and we are just relaxing ourselves as we have to climb down the stairs again. And it was quite crowded because it was getting evening as the moment passed by. Now also it's extremely crowded, but now we have taken just a short break for us to descend. Let's see how much well conditioned we are, as this is the first day of our trip to Kodai. We just took this halt in Trichy, so let's see. So see, everyone is drinking Coca-Cola and Fanta here. This is Bovonto. Don't lie here. Don't. Oh yeah, it's actually Bovonto.
What is like to me?
You know, to drink cold drink in glass bottle is a different kind of fun. Okay, so maybe this is the last video of my vlog, and if not, then bye in the next vlog, and if it is, then bye. Hi guys, so we are back to our hotel. So its name is some Safa Residency. We got ourselves fresh. We came from the temple around at 7:30, and we just took a bath, and now after a travel of whole day, like we came from Chennai and directly to that temple, it was kind of hectic. So we just got freshed and we came by auto. The best part is we were traveling around the city by an auto. Despite of there being two cars, we were traveling by auto. So this experience was also great. And looking forward for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have to travel to Kodaikanal. Early morning maybe we'll start. So hoping for the best weather. Let's resume our journey again. So this was the end of the vlog. See you in my next vlog to Kodai. Bye.